The war of Russia against Ukraine has shown our vulnerabilities when it comes to energy resources, energy routes, and energy security. And this is why we need to reach out to our partners, our reliable partners in the Maghreb, who could be our new supporters when it comes to new routes and sources of energy. New sources of green energy.
Sostna Oliver Varhelji, il-Kummissarju tal-Unjoni Ewropea tkabbir tal-Unjoni Ewropea, meta tkellem dwar l-isfidi li qed taffaċċja l-Ewropa fejn jidħol is-settur tal-enerġija. Huwa qal il-gwerra li għaddejja bħalissa fl-Ukrajina u li issa ilha tippersisti għal aktar minn 430 ġurnata ġabet ħafna sfidi f'dan is-settur u għalhekk lan tal-Unjoni Ewropea hu li tara li tadotta proġetti għal enerġija rinnovabbli.
New sources of green energy. The first partnership that you have seen in this series of new partnerships was last year a partnership between Israel, Egypt and the European Union, bringing new sources of LNG to Europe directly. And we are working on green electricity submarine cable projects as well, together with Egypt, but we are also considering a big contribution to building new renewable electricity generation capacities in Tunisia that could feed into directly the European electricity markets, and that could create significant revenues also for Tunisia and growth in jobs locally. Of course, Malta, being on the way, should also be a beneficiary of any such project.
Waqt l-intervista li saret minn dan l-istazzjon mal-Kummissarju Ewropew għat-tkabbir u tkellem ukoll dwar l-immigrazzjoni li ġib magħha diversi sfidi għall-Ewropa.
We are listening to our member states. We are here to work with the Maltese authorities. A week back I was in Rome to deliver the same message that we are here to help to Italy, to Malta, to face the challenges of illegal migration. And in our work, of course, it's not only the member states with whom we're working to get the control back over the flows, but also with our partners in the Maghreb region, because it takes both Europe and the Maghreb to work on that and to cut this phenomenon of illegal migration.
Il-kawżi tal-immigrazzjoni huma taħlita ta' fatturi li jinkludu kwistjonijiet marbuta mas-sigurtà, id-demografija, id-drittijiet tal-bniedem, il-faqar u t-tibdil fil-klima. Min-naħa tiegħu il-Kummissarju Ewropew għat-tkabbir saħaq li l-Unjoni Ewropea hija kommessa li taħdem id-tfid ma' kull stat membru kif ukoll mal-imsieħba fir-reġjun ta' Maghreb.
We see that illegal migration is again on the rise. We also see that smugglers are profiting and try to increase their profits through increasing their activities on the Mediterranean. And it is a common challenge for all of us. So for the European institutions, the member states, and for the Maghreb partners. And we are here not only to help when it comes to raising their capacities to protect their borders, and we're not only here to help them to get down to the crux of the matter, but also we are here to help them to overcome the major challenge, the major economic and social challenge the Maghreb is facing, which is to create an economic and social landscape in the Maghreb that serves the people and that will help them to protect themselves much better.
Sabiex tiġi riżolta din l-isfida ewlenija. Desiree Grek, Net News.